Hi guys, today we're going to have a look at some drum kit setup options for the left-handed drummer. I'm Lars Wickett and you're watching Simple Stix Bitesize. Have you found that flicking through drum magazines that you notice that the drum kits always seem to be nice and shiny and positioned where the drummer has his right hand on the hats? Or you've gone into your very first drum lesson and been plonked behind technically a right-handed drum kit. So it means your weaker hand is having to do most of the work. Well, that doesn't have to be the norm. The beauty of a drum kit, it is flexible to put the pieces of the instrument in all kinds of positions and places to make it easier for you to play the drum kit. And today we're going to have a look at 4 most practical options that I think could benefit you as a left-handed drummer. So let's have a look at option 1, which is the right-hander. Yes, it means you swallow your pride and you get used to playing a drum kit set up to the right hand configuration. Or we can look at option 2, the open hander. With option 2, we are still on a right-handed drum kit, but it means that when you are playing the hi-hat, you can predominantly use your left hand with your hands open and your right hand on the snare drum. But it does mean that you still have to use the right hand on the ride cymbal, so you'll end up with a weaker riding pattern. But that does lead us into option 3, which is what I call the easy rider, which, once again, is on a right-handed setup, but this time you can move your ride cymbal over to the left-hand side. This also makes it really fast for you to jump between the hi-hats and the ride cymbal when playing. But all 3 of those options still means that you need to use your right foot for the bass drum, and you either awkwardly lead with your left hand around the fills or have to get used to leading with the right hand. Which then brings us on to my 4th option, which is the left-hander. And yes, you guessed it. You take the time and completely reverse the drum kit to play it truly left-handed. Well, this was a nice short but sweet video just to give you some options and ideas on 4 drum kit setups as a left-handed drummer. But don't stay limited to those. Explore, try moving things around and find those weird and wonderful drum kit part placements to really just find what works for you. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in some drum lessons with me, then please head over to my website and take a look around. Once again, thank you for watching this Simple Stix Bitesize video, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.